Welcome back. You're with Goa 365. Professor Subhash Velinkar, principal of Vidya Prabodhini Higher Secondary School, Povram, and the Goa in charge of RSS, was felicitated on his 60th birthday yesterday at a function that was organized by the Goa unit of the RSS.
Upendra Mukhashi, chief of the Konkan region of the RSS, commended the works of Professor Velinkar. Dada Idate, RSS chief of the migrant community, also applauded the efforts of Professor Velinkar.
सुभाषजींचा जो सत्कार आहे तो एकार्थी संघाचा सत्कार आहे आणि संघाचं काम कसं असं मूर्तिमंत स्थान त्यांच्याकडे बघायला मिळतं. असं जेव्हा घडतं तेव्हा साहजिकच असं वाटतं की संघाचं काम ह्या समाजात सगळ्यात त्या पद्धतीने केलं पाहिजे.
Addressing the gathering, Professor Velinkar expressed the need for human integrity.
समाजान वयर जे दिसता तशें सुखवस्तू ना हे सगळें गोंयान सगळें बरें आसा अशें न्ही. प्रत्येक घर पोखरलेलें आसा आतां. प्रत्येक घर पोखरलां पण दाखयणारो सांगिना. आवय बापायच्या तोंडार मारतात चली चलो. आवय बापायक केअर करिना अशा प्रकारचें आसा. अशीं घरां आसात. पण आवय बापूय दाखयना. झांकली मूठ 1.25 लाखाची अशें करतात. हे सगळें आमी आतां प्रगतीच्या दिशेन वाटचाल जी केल्या न्ही, आमी जाका मोठें जीवन सुखवस्तू जीवन जें म्हणटा न्ही, काही वर्सां पयलीं जी दुख्खां आवय बापायची पिढी सहन करिनाशिल्ली ती दुख्खां आतांच्या काळाच्या हातूंतल्यान ही सहन करची पडटात अशें म्हाका दिसता. जीवन खूब जाती आनी कसले कसले पंथ पक्ष भेद हातूंत खूब वाटलेले आसा. सगळे लोक एकठांय येवपाची गरज आसा आनी निर्भेळ प्रेम एकामेकांक दिवपाची गरज आसा आनी सामुहिकता जाय.
Professor Velinkar also spoke about the inherent changes that transpire in an individual when one joins the RSS.
हांव जर पयलींचो सुभाष वेलिंकर जर आशिल्लो जाल्यार हांव ताच्या दुकानाचें निदान 10,000 रुपयाचें तरी नुकसान करपाचो आनी भायर सरपाचो. पण म्हज्या लक्षांत आयलें ना. हांवें ताका सांगलें हें कित्या खातीर म्हणजे नर्चरींग कशा पद्दतीन जाता लक्षांत येना. विशप्रयोग सुद्धा जेन्ना जाता तेन्ना न लक्षांत येताच मनीस काही वर्सांनी मरता अशें म्हणटा वेगळ्या पद्दतीन. कॉन्ट्रास्ट तो कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन हांगा अशा पद्दतीचें भायर करून दिलें वता की मनीस म्हाका संघाचें काम जर करपाक जर जाय जाल्यार आय कांट रिएक्ट द वे आय वॉन्ट टू रिएक्ट. हांव नॉर्मली ज्या पद्दतीन रिएक्ट करपाचो त्या पद्दतीन करूंक जायना. म्हाका ह्याच समाजाच्या भितर काम करपाक जाय अशा प्रकारची धारणा जी दिली ती केन्ना रियलायज जाली हें कांय लक्षांत आयलें ना. अशा प्रकारचो हो बदल जो आसा हो संघांतल्यान बदल घडलो अशें म्हाका दिसता. काम जर अशें करपाक जर मेळ्ळें सोशल काम जर उदात्तपणे आनी शिक्षकी पेशा सारकें संघाचें काम म्हणजे यू डोंट हॅव टू रिपीट युअर वर्क. तुम्ही जे कितें करता तेंच करा तुम्ही यशस्वी शिक्षक जाता.
The village panchayat of Chikali, in association with the New Dawn Ashtadeep Special School, which is presently functioning from the Deep Vihar school premises at Headland, Sada, organized its disability awareness program yesterday.
Lectures on occupational therapy, hearing impairment, physiotherapy, etc. were delivered by experts in the field. Speaking to Goa 365, Vinny Fernandez, headmistress of New Dawn Ashtadeep Special School, elaborated on the purpose of the program.
Today's program, community-based rehabilitation program at Village Panchayat Chikalim, was held to create an awareness among common people on special education. And to say that special education is also a branch of education which imparts education for individuals or children having disabilities in various areas like hearing impaired, visually impaired, mentally retarded children and autistic kids. I have related services like occupational therapy, physiotherapy, behavior modification and other related services which help in solving the disability problems of these children with special needs at Ashtadeep.
The Sarpanch of Chikali Village Panchayat, Anacleto D'Souza, appreciated Ashtadeep School for its efforts in the field of disability.
I am very glad to have this awareness campaign, like disability awareness. Sometimes we tend to try and show that we know a lot of things, but it is not that easy. This entire team of New Dawn Ashtadeep School, who have demonstrated so well, like there are various disabilities which are spoken today. Now sometimes we tend to hear and we do not know things which are existing in different walks of life. By the grace of God, we have got a new Dawn Ashadeep school in our vicinity. It is very close to our panchayat. People can take advantage.
Mr. D'Souza further advised the parents of children with special needs to assist in the diagnosis of disabilities in their children.
First and foremost thing of the parents, that the parents should take the utmost care of their child. The child should be, they should learn what he is doing. They should find out the faults, what his fault is, how it is to be diagnosed, where he should be taken, where he should be taught. There are, like I said, lot of people do not know what exactly disability means. It is not that we only ourselves have to be disabled. It is also to learn and to know how a disabled person has to be handled with.
The Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, along with the Revenue Minister Jose Philip D'Souza, recently inaugurated a film production studio set up by DNA Productions at Vasco.
DNA is a joint venture of two dynamic and professionally qualified youth, Danny Gomes and Anna Rubello from Vasco. DNA is a full-fledged film production studio which will provide professional services in pre-production and post-production using world-class equipment. Speaking to Goa 365, Danny and Anna gave us an insight into the film production studio.
It's like an entire house with outdoor equipment. We have full-fledged outdoor equipment, okay, like dolly, mini jeep, track and trolley, reflectors, lights. Lights are like 1 kV, 2 kV, baby, junior, and
basically whatever is required for shooting.
For a shoot.
Okay. And now we can start with, we can help, in case we come with the movie, we can help you with the budgeting, the scripting, that is pre-production, plus providing you with the outdoor unit for your shooting, as well as post-production, the editing and dubbing, and graphic station.
The Aqua 2008 ocean sailing expedition organized by the 1 Goa Naval Unit of the NCC Panjim, which set sail on 3rd of October, touched port at Donapal yesterday afternoon at around 1:30 p.m.
The 24 NCC naval cadets, headed by Commander Utpal Datta, who sailed a distance of 468 kilometers from the east to the west of the state's periphery in whaler boats, as they came face to face with the uncertainties of the open sea, was received by the Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, Dr. Suzanne D'Souza. Dr. Suzanne D'Souza, while saying that her days as a cadet have held her in good stead today, said that the NCC has to make its mark better felt in the state and assured her department's support towards the same.
If I could be what I am today, I always say it's not just my sports, but it was a blend of sports and NCC, which gave me that discipline or that integrity or things which are very much needed to head a department where lakhs or thousands of youth come under your purview. A knowledge